Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your name on your Shopify's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change name on Shopify, firstly go ahead and launch open your Shopify application. The homepage of Shopify application will appear on the screen. Click on My Store icon at the top left corner of the page. From the displayed option, click on your email address associated with your Shopify's account. On the next page, tap on Manage Account option. Now all you need to do is enter or edit your name and tap on Save at the top right corner of the page. This is how you can change your name on your Shopify's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.